Hello everyone, this is Chinny from the CyberCare YouTube channel, and it's been long time since I've made a video. Around like 2 years back I made a video, and after all this time I just wanted to um, make a video about the new changes. The reason why I'm not making a lot of videos these days is I've been busy with a lot of other works, and the recent Kali Linux release, the 2020.3, is very exciting actually for me, and I've been looking forward to the 2020.4 as well. Okay, so I just wanted to talk about that. I just wanted to share what I feel and what's actually coming and all of that about the Kali Linux 2020.3 and what I'm expecting in the future builds. Okay, if you ask me straight ahead, we don't have crazy kind of updates or something like that in the main build, whereas we have some advantages, we have some extra stuff in the net hunter releases and other variations. But currently, if you just ask me, there's just new shell. That's interesting news for me. Similarly, if you're a fan of WSL2, that's again one of the fun part. um, I've been trying WSL2 from a long time, since the WSL1 actually. I've been using it. I was not able to use that full time. If you are looking forward to that video actually how to set up WSL and WSL2, how to run Kali in Windows and all, leave a comment down in the chat box or comment box. I'll make a video for that. So the win-kex for the WSL2 is very interesting for me. HIDPI, I haven't found a lot going on with the HIDPI into my personal experience, so I don't have that much interest towards that. Icons does not bring any performance improvements, and Bluetooth Arsenal is only for the net hunted builds, like I said, not for the main Kali. Nokia devices are also supported by the net hunter, and easier setup process. Okay, so first of all, let me show you my new 2020.3 build of Kali. So this one by default comes with the ZSH or ZSH, depends on whatever location you are using. So that's actually one of the nice addition. I have been using ZSH from quite a bit time actually, and I've also used my ZSH as a as a plugin manager and all. That was very fun experience for me. It's not set up in this machine, it is freshly installed, it's not completely set up yet. Okay, so currently this is still having bash. So by default, point number one, by default it will have shell only for now, 2020.3. They are planning to completely replace that bash with the ZSH from 2020.4. That's what I'm looking forward to. Like I said, I've already transitioned to ZSH from long time, so I'm looking forward to that. They have some quite of good reasons actually. Just go there and read the blog article if you want to find out more. And second thing is HIDPI. Just go to the search box in the applications and search for toggle or HIDPI. You can see that Kali HIDPI mode. Like I said, it will zoom things up and get into a bigger screen mode, but currently I don't use that much, so I'll go back. So that is that other thing. And coming to the tool icons, that is just a visualization change actually. So if you just go to the tools right now, most of the tools have their own distinctive icons and all. But like I said, it will not make any performance changes, but if you are the one looking for new icons and all, this will definitely entertain you. This is not my thing actually. I do like icons and all, but not my thing, especially if you ask me. So that's the other thing. And like I said, for the win-kex actually, it's a complex concept, at least for the starters, the audience group of this channel. So yeah, let me know if in the comment box actually if you'd like to see WSL and how to set that up, all of that. Let me know in the comment box. I will make a video about that. So coming to the new shell actually, again the important part here in this video, like I said, by default it is still basic shell only. If you want to switch to ZSH, you have to execute a command. Okay, simple one-liner command, actually simple command. You can just execute that and get ZSH as your default terminal. For my subscribers, actually I will suggest you to do that, because one day or another way you have to come to the ZSH, so you can't deny that. So I would say try using that from today, and if you like it, that's fine. If not, then we'll think of something else. Okay, just execute this command. It's simple: chsh space slash s, sorry, minus s, and space slash bin slash zsh. You just hit enter. That will change your terminal from bash to zsh. By default you might not see any visual changes here, but with the help of this GSH you can install some auto suggestion packages and others. For example, if I type ifconfig now, it's not showing anything, right? Whereas I can enable syntax highlighting, I can enable auto completion, auto correction, these kind of added features I can add. Okay, we talk about the other concepts. For example, like we talked about the four parts. Fifth part is Bluetooth Arsenal. If you are using Kali Net Hunter in your phone, like either OnePlus devices or Nexus devices, or as the new devices supported Nokia devices, from your phone itself you can perform some Bluetooth attacks actually. So that's very cool and very, something that is, good when it comes to mobile penetration testing and all. So that's a very welcoming thing. But like I said, in the main build, for the most of us, you know we don't have spare phones to tinker, right? So for the main build, those are the four things that we have. Similarly, if you have a Nokia phone, you can install Kali Net Hunter in those as well. And also in the setup process, they solve the problem of missing network repositories, and also the installation will happen a lot quicker. Okay, so these are the new things that are available in the 2020.3. Okay, now going back to my Kali, it's loaded. Let's see that new features which we don't have in the default bash. I open my new terminal. So from this point onwards, it should actually show you, as you can see, it's already different right now. Can you see that? Previously it was like root at Kali and hash symbol or pound symbol. Now it is only Kali hash. I'm gonna make a full-on video on how to get this all configured and how to get this all working and all. So like I said, I'm gonna make a full-on video on that, maybe as quick as I can. How to get the ZSH working, also how to get the one that I am using, that oh my ZSH. It's not ideal. You may have already used it, and you may be trying to type in the comment box it's not good and all. I know it's not very best available, but I like how it works, the themes and plugins and all. So if you like that, I'll try to make a video. It's also very simple to configure and all, so I'll make a video on that as well, how to set it up and all. So yeah, this 2020.3 got me a lot excited that I made a video after 2 years, and let's see if there is anything new exciting stuff. I'll make a videos on that too. And yeah, it's good to be back. Yeah, that's all. Subscribe so that you don't miss any new updates, new videos if I make any. And thanks for watching.